and welcome to ENT 1450. This is Entrepreneurship Finance at JCC. My name is Sarah Bray. I'm the instructor for the course, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of Blackboard as well as the syllabus so you can understand what we will be doing in the spring semester. When you log into Blackboard and log into the course, you'll see this home page in Blackboard. A couple important places and things you should do first. First, I'd recommend downloading and viewing the syllabus. This is probably something you'll also want to print out and save to have handy as a reference for you throughout the semester. I'm going to open up the syllabus and we'll take a look at it together. A couple important things that you'll see right here on the first page of the syllabus are my office hours and contact information. I'm located on the Olean campus of JCC. However, I do get to the Jamestown campus on occasion. And if you'd ever like to meet in person, I'm happy to do that at either location. I also use Skype, which we can use to do web or video conferences to review material, as well as phone or email. If these office hours don't work for you and your schedule, please just let me know another time, and I'm happy to set up a different time to work with you on course material. The good news about our book is that the book is free. It's available by clicking this link. And you can download it there and save a copy. You can save it as a PDF. If you are like me and you really want to have access to a print copy of the book, you have some options. You can order it from the JCC bookstore. We do have a printed version available. It's going to cost around $35. Or you can also find it from a variety of places online. I can't predict the cost that you might see there, but you do have some options. However, you can start right now accessing the book online for free. In terms of the course itself, I want to show you our course schedule, which you'll see here. Everything is going to be due typically on Thursdays and due at midnight. So the schedule is broken out by each week, and you're given the module that we're working in, as well as the assignment that's going to be due. The due date and everything, again, is due at 11:59 p.m. All of these are Thursdays except for this last day, May 14th, which is a Monday. It's the last day of class. You'll be submitting your final project. So make sure you follow this schedule closely, and you always know what we have that's due so you can be working ahead of time and asking any questions as you have them. In terms of grading, we're going to follow a points basis. So you need to understand that the entire semester is based out of 800 points. And I determine your final letter grade based on how many points you earn out of that total available 800 points. In terms of our communication policy and professionalism, I want to emphasize that for a moment. This is a business course. It's also an entrepreneurship course. I get that we're students and this is a college environment. However, this is the opportunity to practice professional communication. My expectation from you is that when you reach out to me through email or phone, whatever it might be, that you're communicating in a professional way. For example, a professional email includes a greeting. You can call me Sarah. No need to call me Professor Bray. It includes capital letters, complete sentences, and punctuation. If you want to leave me a phone message, make sure you leave your name, a number to call you back, and things like that. So I have an expectation of professional communication, and I will remind you if I think that the way you're communicating is a little bit less than professional. We do have a late assignment policy. I do accept late work except for quizzes. Quizzes can't be completed late. However, anything else I will take late. There is a penalty for that. So there's a 10 percentage point penalty for every 24-hour period an assignment is late. For example, if we are looking at a 50-point assignment, you will lose 5 points for each day that it's late, counting weekends. You're encouraged then to get work in as quickly as possible. The rest of this information is general info on JCC, which is likely not new to you, but if it is, I'd encourage you to click these links to learn about our civility statement, student responsibility, and what to do should you need special accommodations in terms of accessibility or disability support. That's the syllabus. Let's take a look at Blackboard itself. I will be posting announcements probably twice a week, if not more, to give you an indication of what you should be working on, areas to focus on, and feedback for the entire class. Announcements go here in Blackboard. They'll be available under this Announcements tab, and I also make sure that they are sent to your JCC email. It's really critical that you're checking that JCC email every day. It's the only way that I have to communicate to the entire class beyond posting an announcement in Blackboard. If I have something that's important or that's critical to share, I'll do that with your JCC email and with announcements in Blackboard. I'd encourage you to click through the Important Information tab. Here you'll find out a little bit of information about the course specifically and also about me. As many of you know, Entrepreneurship Finance is a required course for the Entrepreneurship Certificate. Many of you enrolled in the course are also completing that Entrepreneurship Certificate. However, it is a standalone course. It counts as a career elective, so not everyone in the course is completing that certificate. The book is used for other entrepreneurship courses, including Entrepreneurship 1 and ENT 1440, the Small Business Management class. So there's another bit of good news. Once you have access to the book, or if you have it from a previous course, it is the same book. So please make sure you're using that and holding on to that. You'll see some overlap with the different entrepreneurship courses. Some assignments are similar or identical, and that is by design. That's to help make these standalone courses, but also give you the opportunity to build on the work that you've done in previous semesters. We arrange the course in modules, and within each module, you'll see an overview that tells you the learning objectives, the resources that you'll need. In this course, we do use the book. However, we also use additional publications, primarily from the Small Business Administration. So you'll have all of your resources listed here in the module, and then it also lists the assignments due in the module. To access those resources and to access the assignments, you click here, Course Materials, and this is where I'll post the information that you need that is in addition to the textbook. So for example, you'll see Planning for a Healthy Business, another SBA publication, organizational types and considerations for small business. Here in Blackboard, you will access your grades, as well as finding a way to email me. This is the most logical way. Click the email button, and you can email instructor users, or you can just click all users and find me in that list. And the rest of the information in Blackboard is fairly standard. So you'll find general resources for JCC students and help desk support if you need technical support. I would strongly encourage you to reach out quickly and early if you need any help, and that goes with technical support that might be needed, any course questions, whether that's on policies, procedures, or content. I'm here to help you, so please reach out to me. Email is often the best way, but pick up the phone, or if you are near the Olean campus, feel free to stop by. I'll let you know the days that I come to Jamestown. If you're close to that campus, I'm happy to meet with you in person as well. So I'm looking forward to a good semester. Best of luck to you.